If I told you I packed 48 outfits into this little carry-on bag, would you believe me? Because I did. And today I'm going to show you how I did it, how you can do it, and why it even matters. Does anyone else hate packing? If you're like me, you've definitely packed a bag and then zipped it up and said some version of, well, I have no idea what I just packed. In my eyes, packing is just one of those necessary evils in life, because let's be honest, traveling itself, it's the best. But I also feel like there's got to be a better way. So today I want to test something. What if we pack light and smart and really just focus on versatility? What if I use math to build a little travel wardrobe where everything works together, but it doesn't look like I'm wearing the exact same outfit every day? So here's our packing list. 2 basic tees, 2 casual button-up shirts, and 1 really lightweight jacket in case it gets cold. 5 tops. What types though? The types of tops I'm bringing are going to be heavily dependent on where I'm going and what I'm doing on my vacation, obviously. However, let's just assume I'm going somewhere warm for the sake of this video. So I have very lightweight stuff, nothing too bold, nothing too loud, because I, again, want to focus on versatility and make sure everything can match together.
Tell us more, Parker. I'm ready.
For bottoms, we have 1 pair of chino shorts, 1 solid colored bathing suit, and 1 super lightweight pair of pants. That's 3 bottoms. Same story with the bottoms. I have the solid colored pair of shorts that will match with everything. I also have a solid colored bathing suit. You guys have probably heard me say this before, but it's such an easy replacement for shorts, especially if you're gonna be by the water. So use it. And the pants that I picked are very lightweight. They're black, so they're gonna be perfect for going out at night, but also matching with everything that I'm wearing and feeling good. I never have to worry about, not having something to wear no matter what I have going on. For my footwear, I'm gonna bring 1 pair of casual sneakers for everyday walking around, sightseeing, etc., etc. Obviously, a white sneaker matches with everything. Then for my other pair of shoes, something a little bit dressier. In this case, the all black boat shoes. I did all black because it matches the vibes of everything else that I packed. If I would have gone with more earth tone stuff, probably would have done a brown shoe. So think ahead as to what is going to work best for you. And then additionally, not counting the actual pieces, I'll always bring just a few minimal accessories like a hat for the daytime, 1 easy versatile watch, usually a metal band or leather works too, a singular ring just so I have it for nights out if I want it, and a classic pair of sunglasses for style and protection during the daytime. And there we have 48 outfits in 1 small carry-on. I'm sure by now you're curious about this mysterious and magical carry-on bag that's holding this many outfits, right? Well, this, my friends, is the 182 Bento Duffel from Grams 28, today's video sponsor. This thing is made from Italian leather, so it's going to have lasting durability. It'll honestly just get softer and more broken in the more you use it. It should very realistically last you forever. And speaking of lasting forever, Grams 28 also offers a lifetime warranty on all of their products. So theoretically, this should be the only smaller type bag you need to purchase for the rest of your days. I love that the bag is minimal, but also crazy effective. There's a laptop sleeve that's really soft on the inside. It's on the outside of the bag for all of my tech needs. Because as much as I tell myself I'm gonna unplug, I'm gonna be there and I'm gonna be itching to do just a little bit of work. I'm gonna make some kind of video. It's also a full clamshell design, which means it opens all the way up, it lays flat. So if you're living out of your suitcase for wherever it is that you're going, it's not a big deal. Also, it comes with a packing cube. Highly recommend using it. They are such a game changer for keeping things tidy. It's a really high quality bag that you can use for a week-long trip, as we're talking about, or just for a nice little evening staycation or a work bag or a gym bag or whatever your smaller bag needs. Let's get back to the video. Let's do the math. So we have 4 base tops, the 2 t-shirts and the 2 button-ups. We have the 1 jacket, that's 8 total combinations. Then we have the 3 different bottom options and the 2 different shoe choices.
8 times 3 times 2 equals 48.
And that gives us 48 different outfits. Whew. I didn't even think about my travel outfit as well. This adds a whole slew of other things into the mix, or for when you're just hanging out, when you're there. Wow. Quick tip, I'll usually wear all of my accessories on the flight because I'm not bringing that many. Keeps my hat from getting crushed and my jewelry keeps it from slipping into the wrong hands. I've had it happen before, unfortunately, so Think about it. So you saw that this can be done first and foremost, but now let me show you some different outfit ideas for different occasions. Casual day of doing some sightseeing around town. I've got my sneakers, my chino shorts, and my basic tee on with some accessories. Check out how easy it is to just throw on this button-up shirt, add a little dimension with a layer, keep everything else the same, and I've got a different looking outfit. I could swap out the sneakers for the boat shoes and I've got like a nice casual dinner outfit. I had aspirations of doing all 48 outfits, but it's just gonna be too many. Or throw in your other basic tee with the lightweight jacket when the weather cools down at night, and you're still looking very cool, looking very stylish. Cool, literally. We like that. I don't know why I'm wearing my sunglasses at dinner, but I'm willing to admit when I make a mistake. This shirt looks like pajamas. It's not the right fit for this. I'm gonna swap it out.
Come on, man.
So I guess let's imagine I flew all the way home from my vacation. I went to my closet, I changed shirts, I went and got back on a plane and flew back to my destination. No big deal. We'll go with this shirt instead. Easy little outfit to go spend some time by the water in my swim trunks and a nice button-up shirt. But also, then when I'm done there, I can go and enjoy the rest of my day and still feel very stylish. And like I said, I can still use my swim trunks as regular shorts, wear them for a nice casual night out. No one's gonna know unless you go walking around telling everyone,
Hey, guess what? These are swim trunks. Can you believe it?
or maybe you get there and you're in a situation where it's like, hi, I'd like to dine at your nice restaurant, please. Oh, you require jackets even though this is a beach location? No problem, I've got one. The whole idea here is to basically make it impossible for yourself to create a bad outfit. You can mix and match anything you bring and it's still gonna look good. Honestly, this is less about traveling effectively and more about simplifying your experience once you're there.
Woo! Just got to the airport. Next stop, Brazil. Oh my God, I forgot my bag.
I want us to be able to all maximize the benefits of travel, like having new experiences. It's relieving to be there and know that everything's gonna look good because you've been intentional to pack stuff that fits and flatters you. It makes so much more sense to do things this way and focus on versatility because it will take you less time to pack before you leave, but also less time to repack when it's time to go home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really curious to know if you could see yourself using this packing style, or if there's something else you prefer. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and as always, stay curious, friend. Now let's go make a thumbnail. I think I've just got to recreate this frame from earlier in the video and then do something else in the background, like some text or something.